Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make a diagonal pleated ice dye. You want to start by centering your shirt using the sleeve inside the other sleeve technique. I think a few of you saw my mannequin, those couple little 15-second clips that I took with my telephone. I had to take those down. YouTube felt that they were inappropriate, like age restriction for children, and that was not my intention, you guys. I was just really surprised at how voluptuous she is. I wasn't expecting that, and then I looked on Amazon and I realized that in the ad she has clothing on, so I had no idea what I was ordering. It's a great mannequin, but she's too busty, so I ordered another one in the color white, and she looks more age appropriate, I guess. So anyways, stay tuned for that. Once you have your shirt centered, decide where you want the center of your pattern to be, and then fold it from the bottom up to the top, and I'm using my yardstick so I get a nice crisp line. Using a washable marker, I draw on my pattern, and this pattern is going to go from the collar side of the shirt down to the underarm part of the shirt. And then I'm just going to make lines about every 4-inch intervals. It's not necessary to do this, but it's just the way I like to do it. Now you want to pleat along these lines, making these lines as straight as possible. I started with the center line, and I was having difficulty making the center of the shirt nice, so I shifted gears and I moved to the first line because the focus really is on the center of the shirt. For this project, I'm going to be securing it with kite string, but if you don't have kite string, you can use rubber bands. It's just whatever you prefer. I have found that when working with the kite string, if I let the spool drop to the floor, I have a much easier time just having it out of my way so I can just unwind it and wrap it around the shirt. I don't know, you might want to try that and see if it works for you as well. Continue working on your pleats. This shirt is 4 layers thick, so it can be a little bit tough. Just keep working with it, you'll get it.
one, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
build yourself some type of an ice barrier, and using a washable marker, if you'd like, you can mark out your pattern. Oops, I didn't want the Palomino gold there, so I'm just scraping it over to where I want it to be. And then to make up for it, I added a little more Palomino gold down towards the end. Like I duplicated the mistake just so it would have a uniform look. Grab a mask and give your project a quick little sprinkle of soda ash for good measure. Once I had all the ice on my shirt, I set the timer on my phone for 1 hour, and then I came back and I checked the back, and I'm getting some good coverage, especially from the Caribbean blue. And then I decided that I was going to then set it on its incline. I didn't want to start out with an incline right out of the gate. I didn't want the brown to overtake the entire shirt. Summer is over and our temperatures are much cooler now, so you want to let it batch for 48 hours after the ice melts. It's been 48 hours since the ice is melted, and now it's time for the rinse out. You want to start by using cold water, and that's going to rinse away any soda ash that might still be reacting within the fibers, and then gradually increase your water up to hot and rinse until the water runs pretty much clear. And then from here I take it into the washing machine, and I use Kirillon and I use Millsoft, and I get both of those from Dharma Trading Company, and I recommend that you follow the manufacturer's directions when using those. And then I put it in the dryer, and we'll come back and we'll see the results. And just so you know, I'm still doing my washout process the same, but I'm tired of defending my method, so I'm just going to leave it right there at that. Well, here it is, guys. Here's our shirt after it's been washed and dried, and I think this one turned out really beautiful. I love this color combination. The diamond shape in the center really pops because of the dye placement. That blue halo around it just makes it stand out. I love this shirt. The Caribbean blue is beautiful. It mixes with the Palomino gold and it makes a nice greenish color. And then the bronze, well, the bronze never fails. It's a beautiful penny colored dye when it splits. So I just can't say enough good things about this shirt. It's going to go up on Etsy, but if nobody snaps it up, I think I might just keep it for myself because this shirt is actually in my size. And I never make anything for myself. But I like this one so much that I just am considering keeping it. So what do you guys think? Please leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell and set it to all. That way you get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.